New phone, who dis? Classic mode, how to play. The object of the game is to collect the most inbox cards. Separate the inbox and reply cards to two separate piles. Each player draws 7 cards from the reply deck. The oldest player is the first judge. At the beginning of each round, the judge draws the top inbox card and reads it aloud. Every other player now selects a reply card from their hand that they think will be the funniest response to the inbox card and passes it face down to the judge. Once the judge has received a reply card from every player, they shuffle them, then read them aloud one at a time. The judge then selects the funniest reply card. The player who had played that card wins the round and collects the inbox card and winning reply card to a pile in front of them. Every player draws back up to 7 reply cards in their hand, and the player to the left of the judge becomes the new judge in the next round. Continue playing for as long as you like, and the player who collected the most inbox cards wins. You can also play the do-it-yourself mode. The difference here is that each player draws 4 cards from both the inbox and reply decks. Then each player pairs one inbox card and reply card in their hand together that they think would be the funniest and submit the pair to the judge. The judge then selects the funniest pair, and the player who submitted that pair collects the cards.